In class 4, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today is Monday, 12th April 2021. Our topic is numbers and arithmetic operations. Today we will do exercise number 1C, page number 15, question number 8. Question number 8 is about long division, and you know that in long division there are different kinds of tables which we don't know. I mean, how will you learn the table of 29? So, I'll give you a easy way to find out bigger tables, and then we will do our long division. Let's start. Question number 8 is write in long division form and divide. We can easily find different long division through guess multiplication. For example, in this question, a part 4618, we have to divide it by 29. So we require the table of 29. So to find out what is 29 twos are, we will multiply 29 by 2. We will multiply 29 by 2 so that we know what is 29 twos are. 2 nines are 18, 1 carry, 2 twos are 4 plus 1, 5. Same to 29 threes are 3 nines are 27. We will write 7 and 2 will be carry. 3 twos are 6 plus 2, 8. In that way, before starting our question, we will find out the table till 9. For example, 29 6 are 6 nines are 54. We will write 4 and 5 will be carry. 6 twos are 12 plus 5 17, 174. 29 eights are 232 and 29 nines are 261. In that way, first of all we will find out the table. After that we will start our division so that we can easily do the division. First of all we will consider 46. 46, 29 twos are 58, which is greater than 46. So we will write 29 ones are 29. Now subtract. We can't subtract 6 minus 9, so we will take carry. 16 minus 9 7, 3 minus 2 1. Then putting down that 1. Now let's find out what is nearer or equal to 171 in 29 table. It's 29 fives are 145, because 29 6 are 174, which is greater than 171. Students, you know that in division we will write number which is less than the given number or equal to the given number. We can't write number which is greater than the given number, because we have to subtract at the end. So 29 fives are 145. On subtracting we get 26, putting down that 8. Now 29 nines are 261. 8 minus 1 7, 6 minus 6 0, 2 minus 2 0. So our answer will be 159 remainder 7. So 159 remainder 7 will be our answer. Next we will write, let's do another part. Here B part is 9320 divided by 86. We required the table of 86. So we will first of all find out the table. 86 twos are 2 6 are 12, 2 1 2 here 1 carry. 2 8s are 16 plus 1 17. 3 6 are 18, 8 right 1 carry. 3 8s are 24 plus 1 25, 258. In that way we will find the table till 8 or 9. You first of all you can find out the table till 5, and if you see that you require more table, so that you can find it till 8. In that way you will find out the table. Now 86 ones are 86. Now 3 minus 6 not possible. We will take carry. 13 minus 6 7. Putting down that 2. Still 72 is less than 86, so we will place a 0 and we will also put down 0. Then we will write 86 8s are 688. Now we will subtract here 8 0 minus 8 not possible, we will take carry. 10 minus 8 2, and here we have 1 remainder, we will take carry. 11 minus 8 3, 6 minus 6 nothing, so our answer is 108 remainder 3. Let's see C part. Our C part is 3047 divided by 53. Here we require the table of 53. So first of all, before starting our question, we will find out the table of 53. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. It means 53 2s are 106. 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. It means 53 3s are 159. 53 fours are 4 threes are 12, 1 carry, 4 fives are 20 plus 1 21. It means 53 fours are 212. In that way we will find table till 9. 9 threes are 27, 7 right 2 carry, 9 fives are 45, 46 47, 477. Now we have 53 table here, so we will start our division. 53, here you can see that first two word 30 is less than 53, so we will consider 4 as well. 304. Now look at in the table which is nearer than 300, nearer less or equal than 304. You can see that 53 6 are 318, which is greater than 304. So we will do it with 5. 53 5s are 265. So 53 5s are, you will write number because we are considering 304, you will write 5 above 4, above the last number which are considering, you will write 5 in above the 4. So 53 5s are 265. 265. Now we will subtract it. 4 minus 5 not possible, we can't take carry from 0, so we will take carry from 3. It will become 2, it will become 9, and it will become 14. Now 14 minus 5, 9. Then 9 minus 6, 3. 2 minus 2 nothing. Now we will put down 7. Now let's see which is nearer than 397. You can see that 53 8s are 424, which is greater than 397. So we will consider 53 7s are 371. 53 7s are 371. You can easily subtract it. 7 minus 1 6, 9 minus 7 2, 3 minus 3 nothing, so our answer will be 57 remainder 26. Yeah, that's how you student you can do the question. Let's do part number D as well. D part is 6593 divided by 72. Here we require the table of 72. So first we will find out the table. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 144. 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21, 216. 72 4s are 4 2s are 8, 4 7s are 28. So 288. Next is 72 into 5. 5 2s are 10, 0 right, 1 carry. 5 7s are 35 plus 136, 360. 72 6 are 6 2s are 12, 1 carry, 6 7 are 42 plus 3 43. That's how we have written the table of 72 from 72 2s are till 72 9s are. Now we can easily do the division. 65 is less than 72, so we will find out number equal or less than 659. So let's see 659. You can see that 72 nines are 648, 72 nines are 648. Now subtract them. 9 minus 8, 1. 5 minus 4, 1. Putting down that 3, 111. Let's find out the number which is less or equal to 113. Okay, you can see that 72 twos are 144, but we need 113. So we will do 72 ones are 72. Now subtract them. 3 minus 2, 1. 11 minus 7, 4. So our answer will be 91, remainder 41. Here no other number is remaining, so we will stop our division here. Let's see E part. E part is 3271 divided by 49. Here we required the table of 49. First of all, we will find out the table of 49. You can see that 49 twos are 2 nines are 18, 1 carry, 2 fours are 8 and 1 9. 3 nines are 27, 7 and 2 carry, 3 fours are 12, 13, 14. That's how you can easily find out the table of 49 till 9. After that, let's start our division. You can see that 32 is less than 49, so we will consider 327, and the number close to 327 is 49. 49 6 are 294, 6 are 294. Now let's subtract it. 7 minus 4, 3. 2 minus 9 not possible, so we will take carry. 12 minus 9, 3. Now putting down that 1. Okay, let's find out the table which is closer to 331. 49 sevens are 343, which is greater. So we will again do it with 6. 6 are 294. Now subtract them. 11 minus 4, 7. Here we have remainder 2. We will take carry from this. Now 12 minus 9, 3. And 2 minus 2, nothing. So our answer will be 66, remainder 37. Okay, dear student, in this way you can find out the answer of long division more easily. And try to do F part by yourself. It will be your homework. Your homework will be do question number 8 part F on notebook. You will prepare your notebooks neatly. After that you will do question number 8 on your notebook. If you have any problem you can ask. Allah Hafiz.